Take a look at these diamonds, wrong as a life for squinting, can't just stare. We're babe through thick and thin, she already fixed, so I'm halfway there. Brown and bad, could've changed my mind, I was halfway there. 100 meters, I just put 9 gal in a Sprinter.
100 eaters, it won't fit in one SUV. No. SOS, somebody rescue me. I got too many, I got. They could last me the next 2 weeks. Alright, let's send the address through, please.